You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two contractions in English for the verb to do. The top one is for the past tense. It stands for did not. When you do want to say that something did not happen, for example, you can say it didn't. Did, a short E sound here. Didn't, didn't. You could essentially add an E or a schwa sound after the second D. Didn't, stress on the first syllable. Past tense, didn't. The other very common contraction in English for does not, the third person of the verb to do, is pronounced as doesn't. Again, you have a schwa sound, doesn't. A Z sound, z, a Z sound, not an S sound, doesn't. It doesn't make sense. An example of sentence: it didn't make sense yesterday, and it doesn't make sense today. Didn't, your top word here, top contraction in English, how to pronounce didn't. Doesn't. Could you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce it? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.